All right, now we're going to look at functions. So a function is basically a formula that is already made for you. So it's another time-saving tool we have. Okay, so here we have our sales report. We want to get a total of what each salesman person brought in. So we go up here, we look for this function. First you got to do actually is click where you want the function to go. You get that little drop down arrow, sum, and now you select the cells. Press return. There's your answer. All right, I'm going to show it again. Sum. Of course, I can also copy my cells still. We do the monthly average. There is a function for average. Average. Right down there. Press, oops. Try it again. Now I'm going to include an empty cell just to show you what it does. It's the same answer. Drag. Monthly total. That's going to be sum. Remember, make sure you do not include the average. Click drag. And then finally, we're going to do the grand total, which is the total of the totals. Sum. We're going to select all of these. And that's it.